Our goal is to shape the continent so that we are able to harvest as much fresh water as possible. It will be most efficient if we can harvest water at one spot. We have equipment set up on the east side of the continent, so we'll use that as the collection site. The choices you make in shaping the continent's topography will determine how many watersheds are created. Your challenge is to use our continent shaping technologies to create a watershed that flows through the designated collection site and collects as much water as possible. A watershed is a large region or area where all the water in it eventually drains from a single river or stream. The bigger the watershed, the more water will flow through it. Any other questions? Our technology is extremely advanced. It allows you to shape the continent by raising or lowering the terrain. Essentially, you can build mountains. The mountain ranges you build will create watersheds on the continent. Is that clear?
So how did it go, Planetside? Oh no, you know the commander is trying everything he can to shut this project down. What do you think he'll say we messed up? Why do you think he would say that? Whew, that's not a problem at all. Not all the water in a watershed drains into the ocean. That's right, some water even goes underground by seeping through the ground. Why don't you go check out the planet's surface report that the geology team collected before you talk with the commander? Was there anything else? Well, good. You better go explain all this to the commander because he's about to call the Senate and pull the plug on this entire operation.
Ah, just the person I wanted to see. This operation is over. I've never seen a bigger waste of research money. The whole purpose of this mission is to harvest water, but your work is so sloppy that you can't even account for all the water flowing through the system. Now that you've lost some water, I have all I need to put this project to an end. Ah, oh yeah? Well, your rainfall measure indicated 1,000 gallons of water fell over your watershed, but your river output only measured 900 gallons leaving. So you tell me, genius, where's the other 100 gallons going, huh?
What in the world does limestone have to do with missing water? This is what I mean. These crazy experiments are over.
So what good is it to us if the water's underground? Well, kid, I think you may have just bought yourself some more time. I'll go make my report to the Senate, but I'll be watching. If you take one step out of line, I'll be ready to bring the hammer down on you and this project.